Hello, is this seat free?
Yes, it is.
Oh, good. I'm Maggie. What's your name?
I'm Laura. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Laura. It's a nice day today, isn't it?
Yes, it's sunny and warm. I like it.
I like sunny days too. They make me feel happy.
Yes, that's true. Do you walk outside often?
Yes, I like walking in the park. And you?
I also like to walk, but I often don't have time.
Do you live here, Laura?
Yes, I moved here 2 months ago from Denver.
Oh, I see. How do you like the city?
I like it. The people are kind and the city is beautiful. Have you lived here for long?
I have lived here all my life.
It's great to have a place you love to live.
Yes, that's true. This is my husband, John. We've been together for 45 years. John works in a construction company and does project design. This is my son, Robert. He works as a doctor in a hospital. This is his wife, Amy. She's a designer. And here is my grandson, Thomas. He is 12 years old. He is very smart and loves science.
You have a wonderful family. Robert and Amy must be very busy. How do you spend time with Thomas?
We often play board games and read books. Do you have children?
I have a brother. He lives in New York and he works in an IT company.
That's nice. How often do you see him?
We talk on the phone, but we don't see each other often because he travels for work a lot.
Do you have any pets, Laura?
Yes, I have a dog. Her name is Bella and she's very friendly.
I have a cat. His name is Max. He is very calm and loves to sit on my lap.
Oh, that's great. Bella also likes to sit next to me, especially when I read books.
That's wonderful. Max is always near when I relax. He's like a little friend.
What did you do before, Maggie?
I was a nurse, but now I'm retired. It was a tough job, but I loved helping people.
That was an important job. I'm sure you learned a lot.
Yes, I learned a lot. And what do you do?
I'm a graphic designer. I create designs for websites and advertisements.
That's interesting. Do you work in an office or as a freelancer?
I work in an office, but sometimes I take freelance projects. Did you do anything else before working as a nurse?
No, I worked as a nurse almost all my life, but I enjoy being with my family now. Do you work at night often?
Sometimes, if I need to finish urgent work. And what do you usually do in your free time?
I like spending time with my grandson and gardening.
This is my stop. It was nice talking to you, Maggie.
It was nice talking to you too, Laura. Have a good day.
Thank you, you too.
Goodbye.